I have my AI community assist. I have my Vertex AI agent. Now, how am I going to grow my Skool community? Let's check out BizRise.io. We're going to optimize a process. All right, let's get logged in here. This is what you're going to see when you become a BizRise.io Pro member. Screen frozen again. Get logged in here. I love those fancy transitions, right? I'm telling you, you're not going to see better live transitions anywhere. I'm telling you. Let's get logged in. So the first thing that I want to show people, all right, well, we made our community, right? The AI factory, there's our community planner. There's our logo. We're good to go. So we have our plan. But now how am I going to promote this? All right, so I'm going to come into marketing here. And I don't have a campaign for it yet. So I'm going to start a campaign for the AI factory, which is this product right here. This is our most recent one. So I'm going to start this. We're going to go tomorrow, Tuesday. We're going to kick it off 8 a.m., baby. Make sure you set that time and date and take your time with these fields because, I mean, when we're using AI, right, it's good data in is going to give you better AI responses. So make sure you take the time to fill it out. So we're starting at Tuesday, 8 a.m. Marketing campaign title. We're going to go the AI factory. My goal, gain users on our free educational community, the AI factory. Okay, so this is going to be part of how you optimize a process. We want to create a marketing campaign. We don't want to spend an entire day doing it. I want to do it in a couple minutes. All right, so put in the goals. There's some information about the AI factory that we generated from our Skool community AI assist, right? We're optimizing. So we're going to click create marketing campaign there, and we're going to have it listed here. Let's go in and check out what else we got. So after that, we are going to have the marketing selector. We'll go into social script here. And these are my previously generated social scripts for the products and services I want to promote. Again, we're doing this all from our AI community assist. Let's go into the drop generator, and what I'm going to be looking for is probably this one. I use the same logo twice, one for BizRise.io, but let's see if this is the AI factory. And what I want to do is I want to set up a two-step post. So I know an auto DM responder. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that into two-step action post and see what that does there. Right now, when the stars are rocking, let it do its thing. It's going to Gemini and saying, hey, these are the prompts. This is the product or service. Write a post, two-step post about this for my target market. Yeah, so that was the AI factory. So here's the title, Unlock AI Success. Here's the script. Hey, everyone. You're an entrepreneur looking to grow your business with AI. I've got some exciting news for you. I'm launching a brand new AI community called the AI Factory, and I'm inviting you to join for free. Inside the AI Factory, you get access to comprehensive educational content on AI, hands-on training programs with me, a community of like-minded, future-forward individuals, and much more. If you're serious about growing your business with AI, then you need to be a part of the AI Factory. Click the link in my bio to join. So not a bad script, right? And that's going to write that for you. You just got to go execute. It's going to give you the description, keywords, hashtags for your posts. And it's going to give you a blog post to post to your website to put your social media video in. Hashtag SEO in a hurry. Okay. We're going to click save social post. So we're up and rolling. We have our Skool community. We have our AI powered assistant. Now we have our marketing campaign built. We just got to go execute scripts, right? That is how you optimize a process with AI. And that's just a part of it. Let's say I want to do some prospecting. Let's go into that on the next video. I'm going to stop this recording and we'll go on to another one live.